When we are working in Final Cut Pro, we import different types of clip. Some are bright, some are dull. So here I have two sample clip. This is very bright and this is very dark. So how we can adjust the color in single click? I will show you the trick. So at first we need to select both the clips or multiple clips, whatever we have, and then we have to come this small arrow. We just need to click here. It will be expanded with this type of options. We have to choose the first option, which is called enhance light and color. I'm going to click here, and very shortly it will adjust both the color dynamically, and we don't need to do anything. Now see here, so this color is bright, not like that much, and this color also bright. So if we check carefully, if we uncheck this area like color adjustment, then we will see the previous color. Now see carefully, if I'm going to uncheck it and see, previously it was like this dull color. Now if I click here, the color has been changed, and that's it. In this way we can easily adjust the color in Final Cut Pro by single click.